very good morning to all. Today we'll start a new chapter, chapter number 16, and the name of the chapter is Money and Market. So kids, every day we purchase lot of things like grocery, fruits, vegetables, plasticware, stationery, toys and many things. So when we buy these things, we give money to the seller, that is there is an exchange in money. Same way, when we sell anything, we receive money. So here also there is an exchange of money. And when we use services of different people like doctors, lawyers, carpenters, plumbers, here also we pay them. That is, there is exchange in money. So we pay them in rupees. So rupee and paisa are the two forms of money. Before that, let's discuss what do you understand by money. Money, in simple term, it is the medium of exchange. That is, when you buy any product, you pay the seller the amount of that item. Same way, when you sell anything, you receive money. And we also pay for the services. So, there is an exchange of money. And money, in simple terms, we say medium of exchange. Now, here in page number 122, you can see many pictures. These pictures shows you that a family, they have planned for a trip to visit a foreign country and everything is ready for them. They just need to get the money exchange. So, what do you understand by money exchange? That means they live in India, so they are using the Indian currency, that is rupee. Now, they need to change this rupee, the Indian currency, into another foreign currency. For example, they have planned to visit USA, that is United States of America. Suppose they reach there and they plan to purchase few things. So there they cannot give the Indian currency, that is rupee, to the seller. They need to pay him with the USA currency, that is dollar. So getting money exchanged means changing the Indian currency into another foreign currency. So different countries have their own money, that is they have their own currencies. Now here you can see a question in page number 122 and the question is, what do you do with the pocket money you get from your parents? So this answer you have to write it in your notebook and then you have to submit in Teams. Next thing is currency. What do you understand by currency? The money issued by the governments around the world is known as currency. So there are different countries and these countries have their own governments. So the money issued by these governments of the respective countries are known as currencies. So the money are issued in two forms, that is paper notes and coins. So you can see here money is in two forms, that is paper notes and coins. Now in India, the Indian government, it issues the Indian currency, that is rupee, and this money has different denominations. So here you can see the different denominations of bank notes. So what do you understand by this word denomination? It means the value of a particular coin or bank note. So here you can see 10 rupee note, 20 rupee note, 50 rupee note, 100 rupee note, 200 rupee, 500 rupee and 2000 rupee note. And you can see on the front side there is a picture of Mahatma Gandhi and also the national emblem. Next you can see the different denominations of coins. At present we have 1 rupee coin, 2 rupee coin, 5 rupee coin and 10 rupee coin. So here also you can see the national emblem on these coins. Now, do you know who issues or manages the currency, that is the Indian currency in India? The currency of India, the rupee, is issued and managed by Reserve Bank of India and we also say RBI. And this is the symbol for rupee which was issued or launched in the year 2012. Do you know where these notes are printed? In India, there are 4 printing presses. The first one is Currency Note Press at Nasik, Maharashtra. Second one is banknotes press at Devas in Madhya Pradesh. Third one, Bharatiya Reserve Bank notes Mudran at Salboni in West Bengal, and the fourth one in Mysore, Karnataka. So these are the 4 printing presses in India. Now let's discuss the currencies of some other countries. So here you can see the currency note of USA, that is United States of America, and this is the symbol and the name of the currency is dollar. Next one, you can see the currency of Britain. The name of the currency is pound, and this is the symbol here. And the third one is the EU, that means member countries of European Union. So EU means a political and economic union of 28 European countries, and some of these countries, they use the currency euro, and this is the symbol for euro. So these were the currencies of different countries. Next, we'll discuss about the barter system. So long ago, that is before the invention of money, people used to exchange their goods. Like here you can see a person with a sheep, another person with some apple. So here the person with a sheep, he exchanged his sheep for some apple. So this was the system which was practiced long ago, that is before the invention of money. This barter system, it created lots of confusion, and people, they started to find a common commodity that everyone wanted, and they used many things like gold, silver, metal, salt and sugar. Now here you can see the definition for barter system. It is a system in which one commodity is exchanged with another commodity. And slowly money came into the life of people, and they started to sell their skills, and common people, they started to buy things other than food. So this was about the barter system. Next, we'll discuss about the money and its uses. So we have already discussed that money is a medium of exchange. So when you buy a product, you have to pay for it. So there is an exchange of money. Same way, when we sell anything, we receive money, and we also pay for the services. So here, this is the first use of money. The second point is, money helps us to know how much a thing cost. For example, when you go to a market to buy a pen, you might spend around 10 rupees. But when you go to buy a book, a story book, it might cost around 200 to 300 rupees. So you can see the difference in amount you spend for these two items. So the money tells you the cost or the value of that particular thing. Third point is, money is also sometimes we can keep and use it for future use. So these are the 3 uses of money. Next, we'll discuss about markets and supermarkets. So what is a market? A market is a place where you buy and sell things. We go to market to buy vegetables, fruits, eggs, meat, stationery items, toys, clothes, flowers and many other things. So there are different shops for different things. But in supermarket, it's a very large store which sell different things. So instead of going to different shops, you can go to supermarket where you can get different things in a single store, and this save time. So this was the difference between market and supermarket. Now the next topic is paying for services. Now till now you saw that there was an exchange in money in buying and selling of goods. Now this is another form of exchange where the buyer buys services instead of product. For example, when you go to a movie theater to watch a movie, you go to the ticket counter and you buy some tickets. Now here, instead of buying a product, you are paying or you are exchanging money for service. The service which allows you to enter the movie theater to watch the movie. So we can say that money is used to buy and sell goods and services. So, this chapter was about money and markets. That's all for today. Thank you.